Welcome to the amazing state of Rio Grande do Norte in northeast Brazil. Here, the sunny coast meets lots of cool nature, full of life. With its pretty views, clear water and special natural wonders, RN is a great place for people who love nature and adventure. Come with me as we explore this awesome place and discover its secrets. Let's dive into the beauty of this vibrant state. In this amazing place are special protected areas that showcase the natural beauty and biodiversity of Rio Grande do Norte. These parks and reserves are not just scenic spots, they are vital for the conservation of the region's unique ecosystems. Each park offers a different experience, allowing visitors to connect with nature in various ways. Jericoacoara National Park, located on the stunning coastline, is a paradise for beach lovers. Its pristine beaches are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. The park is also famous for its towering sand dunes, which provide a dramatic backdrop to the azure waters. The dunes are constantly shifting, creating a dynamic landscape that is ever-changing. At low tide, the lagoon within the park reveals its true beauty with crystal-clear waters that seem almost magical. It's a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in nature's tranquility. Further inland, Parque das Dunas offers a completely different experience. This vast area is home to the Atlantic forest, one of the most biodiverse ecosystems in the world. The park's trails wind through dense forest, offering a chance to see a variety of plant and animal species up close. As you hike through the forest, you'll encounter hidden waterfalls and breathtaking vistas. The sound of bird song and the rustle of leaves create a serene atmosphere, making it easy to forget the outside world and lose yourself in the beauty of nature. The trails in Parque das Dunas are well marked and suitable for hikers of all levels. Whether you're an experienced trekker or a casual walker, you'll find a path that suits your pace. The reward at the end of each trail is often a stunning view or a secluded waterfall, making the journey well worth the effort. Moving on to the São Bento Mountains, this area is known for its rugged terrain and dramatic landscapes. The mountains are dotted with caves and waterfalls, each with its own unique charm. From the mountaintops, you can enjoy panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see, offering a sense of freedom and exhilaration. These parks are not just pretty, they're important for protecting the many plants and animals of Rio Grande do Norte. The region is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, some of which are found nowhere else in the world. Conservation efforts in these parks help to preserve this biodiversity for future generations. By visiting these parks and reserves, you are not only experiencing the natural beauty of Rio Grande do Norte, but also supporting the important work of conservation. Each visit helps to ensure that these precious ecosystems remain protected and thriving for years to come. Deep inside Rio Grande do Norte is a hidden world, the caves and grottos. Lagoa Azul Cave has a secret entrance and a lake inside. The blue water shines and the only sound is dripping water. Casa de Pedra Grotto has amazing rock shapes. Stalactites and stalagmites made over a long time by dripping water look really cool. These caves show us the secrets underground. Rio Grande do Norte, a state in northeastern Brazil, is home to an incredible variety of plants and animals. This region boasts a rich tapestry of ecosystems, each teeming with life. From the dense forest to the coastal shores, the biodiversity here is truly remarkable. The Atlantic forest, particularly in the São Bento Mountains, is a prime example of this lush greenery. This forest is a treasure trove of unique flora with many plant species that are found nowhere else on Earth. The dense canopy and vibrant undergrowth create a haven for countless species. High up in the trees, monkeys swing from branch to branch while colorful birds flit through the foliage. These treetop dwellers add a dynamic layer to the forest's ecosystem, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this vibrant habitat. Moving towards the coast, the sandy beaches become the nesting grounds for sea turtles. These ancient mariners return year after year to lay their eggs, continuing a cycle of life that has persisted for millennia. The sight of these gentle creatures is a testament to the enduring beauty of nature. In the ocean waters, dolphins can be seen playing in the waves. Their playful antics and social behavior make them a favorite among marine life enthusiasts. These intelligent creatures are a vital part of the marine ecosystem, showcasing the diversity of life beneath the waves. And in the mangroves, where the river meets the ocean, crabs scuttle among the roots. These mangrove forests are crucial for protecting the coastline and providing a habitat for a variety of species. The intricate root systems offer shelter and breeding grounds for many marine and terrestrial creatures. All these plants and animals are interconnected, each one playing a role in the delicate balance of nature. The symbiotic relationships between species highlight the beauty and complexity of these ecosystems. Rio Grande do Norte's flora and fauna are a testament to the wonder of the natural world, reminding us of the importance of preserving these precious habitats. Rio Grande do Norte has calm nature and exciting adventures with pretty beaches, cool sand dunes, and a vibrant culture that captivates everyone who visits. The coastline stretches for miles, offering serene spots for relaxation and thrilling areas for water sports. The green forests are lush and full of life, home to a wide variety of plants and animals. The coral reefs underwater are a diver's paradise, teeming with colorful marine life. From the coral reefs to the forests on the mountains, this place is full of amazing things. Whether you like hiking through scenic trails, diving into the depths of the ocean, or simply relaxing in the sun, this state has something for everyone. The diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Thanks for exploring our own with us. We hope you enjoyed discovering the natural beauty and vibrant culture of this incredible state. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest adventures. Until next time, Rio Grande do Norte.